If you do 100 push-ups a day for 100 days, this is what happens to your body. Days 1 to 10. The initial phase is tough. Your muscles are not used to this daily strain, especially if you're a beginner. Expect soreness and fatigue. However, your endurance starts to build. Days 11 to 30. You'll start noticing increased muscle definition, particularly in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Your endurance continues to grow, allowing you to complete the 100 push-ups with fewer breaks. Days 31 to 60. By now, doing push-ups becomes part of your routine. Your strength significantly improves, and you might notice changes in your posture thanks to stronger core muscles. Your push-up form will also improve, making each rep more effective. Days 61 to 90. This is where mental and physical transformations peak. Your body looks noticeably different, with more muscle mass and less fat, assuming you're maintaining a healthy diet. You'll find yourself breezing through the first 50 push-ups with ease. Days 91 to 100. The home stretch feels rewarding. Completing the challenge not only proves your physical capabilities, but also your mental determination. You'll have significantly improved your upper body strength, muscle endurance, and overall fitness. Always listen to your body to prevent overuse injuries and consult with a fitness professional if you're unsure about your form or routine. Congratulations on embarking on this 100-day push-up journey. The discipline and strength you've developed are just the beginning. Keep pushing your limits.
These daily life 3 common habits are ruining your posture. 1. Prolonged sitting. Sitting for extended periods, whether at a desk, in front of the TV, or while commuting, can weaken the muscles that support your spine, leading to poor posture. 2. Text neck. Constantly looking down at smartphones, tablets, or laptops can contribute to a condition known as text neck. This posture places undue stress on the cervical spine, resulting in neck pain, stiffness, and potential structural changes over time. 3. Lack of physical activity. Insufficient physical activity can weaken the muscles that support good posture. Without regular exercise to strengthen these muscles, it becomes easier to slouch or adopt other poor postural habits. So, did you know?